I take a video?
Oh gosh, I look kind of crazy right now. My hair all floofy because I showered and I haven't put anything in it. Just got some coffee. Oat milk latte with sugar-free caramel, delicious. And I am headed back home real quick, and then my friend Brody's gonna pick me up and take me to the airport, and I am flying from Boise to Chicago for a connecting flight to Kentucky to be with my parents for a couple days, and then go to New York to be with my sister. I'm in Chicago, O'Hare. I did get some coffee, a little Dunkin' iced coffee. This tunnel I'm in is crazy. The lights light up. See that? Watch, the light's gonna go past me. Crazy cool. It's loud in here. But I'm headed to my connection. My flight did get delayed in Boise by about 2 hours. It was because of the weather here in Chicago. And so now my Chicago to Cincinnati flight was delayed 2.5 hours, or 2 hours, something like that. No, 2.5, yeah. So I got some coffee. I'm gonna find somewhere to eat because I'm hungry. Hopefully it leaves on time still. So I just walked around for about 20 minutes after getting some food, trying to find a place to sit. So my pizza might be a little cold, but there are so many people in this concourse C. It's packed, but look at this. Look at that. Oh, it's good. I felt like since I was in Chicago, even if it's just the airport, I should have some Chicago-style pizza. And so this place called Reggio's came in clutch. Give me a little pizza. Hits the spot. Well guys, I'm at my parents' house out on the dock. They've got a little lake pond behind their house. I just saw a turtle, so that was cool. Take a look at him. Let's name him. Let's name him Jeffrey. Jeffrey the turtle. I got to see my grandma today. And and my step-grandpa, and then my grandpa and step-grandma today as well. So that was awesome, as well as my uncle. And it's been kind of rainy, thunderstormy all day here in Kentucky is where we are now, but in Ohio where my grandparents live and uncle. And so weather's been kind of rough, and it's gonna be kind of the same in New York, so we'll see. Maybe the weather reports will be wrong, but here in the eastern states there's a lot of crazy weather going on. My flights were delayed multiple times. I didn't get here till 1:30 a.m. yesterday, and so, or today, I mean in the morning. Running on a little sleep, but we're gonna get eaten on some dinner and probably go to bed early and head to New York in the morning. We don't fly out till 11 a.m., so we got some time. But yeah, it's been a good day, despite the rain. It's been good.